want to be part of our family. Our family. Our family.
Whose family are we going to meet today? Ottalie's! Ottalie is 4. She lives on a farm with her mum, dad, and little sister Imogen. They've got 2 sheepdogs called Amy and Bella. I wonder what they're up to today. Mum has come to wake up Ottalie. She's still very sleepy.
Hello. Hello. Did you have any dreams?
I had a dream about we went to the beach.
Went to the beach?
We built sandcastles.
You built sandcastles? Mummy's been shopping. What do you think I might have in the fridge that you might like for breakfast?
Bacon.
Oh, would you like a bacon sandwich this morning?
Yeah, with ketchup.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yummy! I wonder if Dad's ready for breakfast.
Did you snore?
No.
No, Mummy was. Yeah. So what are we doing today, do you know?
We're having bacon sandwiches and I'm having pink milk.
There's one more sleepyhead that needs waking up. Younger sister Imogen.
Did you have a good sleep, Immy? Yeah. Should we go and get some milk?
Ottalie has everything she needs to make breakfast, including bacon.
Daddy, this sandwich is yours.
Oh, get it right then.
And some ketchup.
Splat! What a lot of ketchup.
That's a lot of ketchup.
Tuck in, everyone.
How's it taste? Taste all right? Good?
What should we have for after then?
Afters for breakfast.
Ice cream and a clock and a watch.
Ice cream for breakfast.
With a clock and a watch.
Oh, lovely.
Do you think they might be a bit crunchy?
Cheery up.
Mummy, it's time to go and clean the chickens out.
Did you say clean the chickens, Ottalie?
Pop your legs in. Come on, Mrs. Wobble. Wonder how many eggs the chickens have laid today.
Maybe 20 eggs.
20? That's a lot of eggs.
Ottalie loves helping out on the farm, especially with the chickens. I wonder how many eggs they've laid.
How many have we got today, Ottie?
1, 2, 3. What do we need to do now?
We need to do inside here. It might be tricky because it's a bit lower down.
Well, I can get inside.
What a good idea! 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Right. Are you ready? You can sleep in here. Okay. What would you like first?
I might need the brush.
Okay.
I'll sweep out. Ah, it's just like being a chicken.
This chicken, gonna lay some eggs for me because I didn't get very many this morning.
Boom, boom, boom. There's so many eggs. That's only what I can do. I love being up here, Mummy.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Who's come to say hello?
Bella thinks I'm a chicken.
Bella thinks you're a chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, do you think if I let you loose on the garden that she might come and chase you?
Time for Ottalie to get rid of all that dirty straw.
There you go. Tip it right up.
and put it on the compost heap.
There you go. Has it all come out?
Yeah.
Next, she put in some clean straw.
There we go then. Right. Put that all round you then. That's it.
And makes a cosy new bed for the chickens.
The bedding's all done.
Well done.
Good job, Ottalie. I wonder if the chickens will like their new bed.
Right, reach your hand in. Got it?
I got it.
Right, lift it up. That's it. And then the chickens might... Look, the grey one's coming up to see if it's nice.
Maybe they're gonna lay eggs.
They might do.
And another one.
How can you see?
We're gonna get more eggs.
We might do, because we only had 3 today. And how many chickens have we got?
6.
You think we might get 6 eggs? Wow. Okay. Can we say hi to her, look? There we go. There you go. She's lovely and soft, isn't she? Good girl.
You're a really, really nice chicky.
Look, she's come to say hello as well. They like you because you've made a nice new bed for them. Like you for doing it, don't they?
Work done. Ottalie's playing a game of hide and seek.
8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready when you're not. No, not there.
Getting warmer.
You found me! Well done. I was trying to hide myself as a coat in the coat cupboard.
I thought we were a coat.
You thought I was? Oh, so did I do a good job of hiding?
Mummy, can I hide as a coat and then can you count?
But if you tell me, then I'll know where to come and find you.
But just, I want to hide and then don't remember in your head.
Oh, okay, hang on. I'll forget, okay?
Yeah, no, you
Okay.
had to make me as a coat
Okay.
in the coat cupboard, quickly.
Okay, there's a coat. Right.
Shut the door.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I come, ready or not.
Come on, Imogen. Help Mum find Ottalie.
Have a look in the box.
I think Mum's forgotten Ottalie's pretending to be a coat.
What's that noise? Quick, quick. Let's go and have a look. Look in the cupboard.
Is she in there?
Where's Ottie? Have a look. What's that? Who's that? Where is it? Who's that? Hey! There she is!
Dad's finally finished work on the farm.
Daddy's coming out! Daddy! I'm just not Lysander!
Hello. You alright?
Shoes off and straight into another game.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Time's almost up, and Dad helps hide Mum.
10. Here I come, ready when you're not.
Dad watches the fun with a nice cuppa.
You good?
Mum's not in the cupboard. Try again.
No, yeah.
Getting colder.
No.
Do you want to know if you're getting warmer?
I'm not getting warmer, Daddy.
You're not, you're right. Where else have you tried?
There, and there, and there, and I tried everywhere and I can't find her.
Why don't you sit down and have a think?
Oh, good clue, Dad.
Have a think.
Have a think. Why don't you sit down, Ox, spin round and see what happens. See if you can have a think.
Getting much warmer.
We found her.
Well done, Ottalie.
She's quite good at this game, your mummy.
Now it's mine.
I wonder who we're going to meet next time on Our Family.